Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Okay, I found a really easy recipe that includes stuffing. Okay, now you can use any stuffing, but this recipe was really easy. If it is right after Thanksgiving, you'll have extra gravy and extra turkey. But you can also make this with chicken, a roasted chicken from the market. This is really easy, comes together, and you have everything. You have your bread, you have your turkey or chicken, and gravy and vegetables. It just is a complete little meal, and it's very easy. So let's make it. So right here I have a saucepan. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of chicken broth. This is 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna let it melt. Now I'm gonna add 1 package of stuffing. Stuffing is going to absorb all the liquid. Now I'm going to add 1 chopped celery stalk. I'm going to mix all this together, turn off the heat, set it to the side. In another pan, I'm going to start making some gravy. You can use a 12-ounce jar of gravy, but I have these little packets. So the way these work, 1 packet and 8 ounces of water, but you have to start off with cold water. So I'm going to make 1 packet right here just to show you. Mix it together while it's cold, then turn on the heat, bring it up to a boil, and then it starts to thicken. I made double the amount, and you can see now it's starting to thicken up because it's warming up. Now I'm going to start putting everything together. I have my dish right here, and you need 12 ounces of vegetables. I found this 12-ounce bag of broccoli and carrots. I rinsed them and I put them on the bottom of my dish. Next, I'm adding 3 cups of turkey, but you can also use rotisserie chicken if you had that. Now I'm adding my gravy on top of everything else. Next, I'm going to start adding my stuffing on top of that. So basically, your stuffing is like a bread layer on top. How yummy does this look? So this goes in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. So I got this recipe from the back of the stuffing mix, Easy Turkey Pot Pie. So once it comes out of the oven, it has a little crunchiness on top because it's been cooking for 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some on a plate, and I'll show you what it looks like on my plate. Look at this. This is like a shortcut Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, let me taste it. You know it's good. I mean, turkey, gravies. It's just a Thanksgiving meal, but you can have this anytime. And then the stuffing on top. And the gravy. Everything you have at Thanksgiving. Very simple recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.